I don't know, I must have been hungry or something because I ate. I just Y'all see this shirt? Y'all know what time it is, huh? It's time for the wig review. It's time for the wig review. I'ma shake my money maker. I'ma shake my mama gave me. Hey, JT, I'm fly with it. CITY with it. Right cheek, left cheek with it. What is it? Fun size petite with it? Something like that. When I do my dance, money fight, me throwing bands. JT, I ain't playing. Lil' chillin' with your man. Cause these rich niggas throwing paper. And it's time for the twerkulator. Hey, it's time for the twerkulator. It's time for the twerkulator. I'ma shake my money maker. I'ma shake what my mama gave me. Child, that was so chaotic. I'm sorry. Wig review, okay? Beautyforever has decided to give me yet another wig. Y'all probably saw it in the beginning. Y'all let me know in the comments if I did my thing. Y'all let me know if they did their thing. Let there be no mistake, okay? Even though it's a wig review, I am very honest with my reviews, okay? I don't care how much you pay me. You ain't pay me enough to go to hell because I don't lie. Oh, box came a little beat up, but you know, packaging. I don't blame Beautyforever. I blame FedEx or UPS or DHL because they overseas. It says made in China. Shout out to the tariffs. We gonna unbox her. Detachable caps for the edge brushes. Can never have too many of those. Came with the box, came with the order. Wig cap is really good for the ball cap method. Got the hair, but we gonna leave that to last. You know how we do. Oh, wait, I'm tripping. We actually got 2 wig caps. One ain't enough, I need 2. We have a headband. I'm not gonna lie, when it comes to their headbands, it's really not as tight as I would like it to be. I would like it for it to be a little tighter to the point where it's cutting off my circulation. I want it to be that tight. I want to be on the verge of passing out. This is the hair. Already I'm noticing the color. It's a very natural color. First thing I notice is the color and the texture. Okay, so this is a 5x5 Blendaway HD lace Yaki straight wig, and as you can see, comes pre-styled. And when I say it comes pre-styled, it comes in a middle part. It is pre-plucked, pre-bleached. The lace is already cut. All we should have to do is just put her on. You don't need to use glue for this, so it's supposed to be, you know, glueless. If I don't know you, if it says scam likely, oh, I'm gonna let that phone ring. I'm gonna jam to it. I might even write a little freestyle. We're gonna look at the construction of it. How many combs? Because you know all these wigs gotta come with at least 1 comb. It does come with built-in adjustable straps, but it also comes with a removable strap here. And the removable strap is also adjustable, so you don't necessarily have to take it off. You can just adjust it. This wig does come with a C shape to fit nicely around the ears. I do like how this anti-slip band is a lot. Normally wigs have it like just on the back, but I like how this is like basically from temple to temple, so it goes all the way around. She feels real good. It's 180 density, and I do believe this is a 24-inch. I think she's looking real cute, real simple. This is gonna be like an everyday type unit. If you don't know and you are new here, hi, I'm Shartia. I like everyday wig. She's gotta be of the kinky texture, kinky or yaki texture. This is a yaki texture and it's straight, and if it truly is put on and go, I'm about to put her on and go. What I have in my hair right now, 6 flat twists to the back. You know how there are struggle braids? These are help me twists, okay? Because help me. What is this? I left a whole piece of hair out. She's staying out because I'm not about to take my twist out just to put that back in. So just pull it to the back, make a little bun. That's what we'll do, make a little bun. It's going to be a first impression. Okay, yep. No foundation, no powder, no Nathan. This would make it so much better if my flat twists were literally flat underneath. Otherwise, right now, I got like this big, 2 big lumps. We can't do that. You know what that means? I gotta take this off and reflatten my flat twist. This is a very secure wig and it fits perfectly. I knew it, dag nabbit, I knew this was gonna be an everyday wig. I had to redo them flat twists because child, it was just looking a little too bulky for me. We did it, Joe, we did it. Okay, let me get my wig. It's HD, so HD lace tends to blend a lot better into the skin. This doesn't match my skin tone. for real, especially around my hairline. So I am going to spray this lace tinting spray by the brand Kiss, and it's in the shade medium brown. I'm literally just like spraying. It's like one little choo choo, because I just want the edge. Choo choo. That's all I want. I'm gonna spray it one more time because I missed a part. I just missed a little section right there and up here. I love wigs. Tree love the kids. T love the wigs. Oh yes, baby. Oh yes, honey. It's the fact that I can put my hair behind my ears. This reminds me of a quick weave with the closure. It is melted into my skin. Look at that. Look, I have not melted this at all. There is literally no need to melt. It melts into the skin. This is glueless. Now the question is, do I want to do a middle part? Probably not, because I look a little crazy. If you are new here, y'all have never seen any of my wig reviews or anything, y'all know I'm afraid of the hot comb. So I'm gonna part where I want it to be, and I'm going to actually put her on my mannequin head and use the hot comb on my mannequin head.
Seems like ever since the first day we met, there is no one else I think of more than you. Can't seem to forget, can't get you on my head. Guess the verdict's in, I'm crazy over you. How can one be done? Tell me where to start, 'cause every time you smile, I feel tremors in my heart. I have a one concern, how can I get with you till my day comes? Here's what I'm gonna do.
Check it.
Yeah. In my room, thinking about you. I must confess, I'm a mess for you. Sitting up in my room,
Yo, ooh, I ain't gonna lie. When it came across the monitor, it looked like The Ring. It looked like the girl from The Ring. Low-key scared me. All right, but look how flowy she is. I flat ironed her. She's straight, bone straight too, but she's still got a little texture to it. Yaki always reminds me of like a relaxed texture, like if someone has a relaxer. And this is why I like to style her on the mannequin, because I can't get that close to my edges because I have PTSD. I just can't do it. I can't do it. Yeah, she is flat, okay? She is flat. Should I trim her? I'm gonna put it to the front. Y'all let me know if I should trim her. I don't know why I be asking these questions. Like, y'all gonna give me these immediate answers. Like, make it make sense, Shartia. Make it make sense. Like, I like the long, sleek look, the like no layer look. But if anything, I'll probably just like even her out. I kind of want to just layer her in the front just a little bit, because she's already kind of on the thin side. So I just want just a little bit of face shaping. I want to go ahead and define her a little more, kind of make her look a little more prominent by adding concealer. This is not the brush that I would have wanted to use for this. I gotta do the best with what I got. Y'all, this looks so freaking good. She is long. I am 6 inch, I'm 5'6", so this is where she lands on me. The hair is very soft. It is very, just like, it's bomb. It's bomb, okay? It is super bomb. Now, I do want to say something about the lace area, like the parting, because like where I parted, not the middle part, but like the side parts, wherever I was parting in the actual lace area, it's not 24 inches fully through. Like, it's short hairs, and I have yet to find a wig that has like full hair, like long hair in the lace area and not like short pieces. I have yet to find that wig, and I don't know if that's normal, but That's something that I always notice. And that's something that I've noticed with this wig too. Granted, she is completely glueless. Like, I didn't even need to use mousse. It's completely glueless. Like, no type of like adhesive or nothing that's on the lace. And that's one of the good things about HD lace. Like, it melts into your skin. It melts into your skin with minimum effort. And that's what I like about HD lace. I didn't put any like serum on it. So I think that when I was flat ironing it, I did notice a little bit of like static almost. And I think that happens when the hair is like dry. Because when I flat iron my hair and I comb through it, hair start to like lift. So I don't necessarily think it's the wig itself. It could just be because I didn't put any serum on it. I really like how this turned out. Like I said, this is definitely going to be a everyday type wig, pop on and go. I've already styled her. I don't see me wearing her in the middle part. Normally, I'm a middle part girly. But with this unit, I decided to do a side part because of my help me twist underneath was you know, acting up. So I did side part today, and I'm glad I did because I think this looks a little more elevated. You know, it looks more sleek to me. What do you guys think? Are you guys team middle part or team side part? I feel like I always have this discussion because it's always relevant. It is always relevant. And I always need to know because there's always somebody in the comments that's new here. So welcome, welcome, welcome. I think this just looks super natural. It's spring and summer. And when it comes to the spring and summer season, minimum makeup, minimum hairstyles, and the fact that this is just like, it doesn't feel hot. It doesn't feel like I have a cap on my head. Like, it doesn't feel like it's just like heat just gonna be trapped. It feels very light, very airy. So I do say that this is a good wig for the springtime. Y'all know the type of girly I am. I am a very minimalistic girl when it comes to like my appearance, okay? I don't ever do too much, right? Like the girls say, very demure, you know? I don't do too much. Very cutesy, very simple, okay? It's elevated. It almost gives me kind of like a rich girl, pretty girl vibe, very clean vibe, and I like it. And that's who I am. You know, normally I wear my natural hair. I don't even wear makeup. So right now I'm rocking a no makeup look, no lashes, just eyebrows, a little bit of foundation, bronzer. So I'm not doing a lot today. And this hairstyle is perfect for those of you who don't necessarily want to do too much. But at the same time, like with the length itself, it is 24 inches, okay? And it's giving, here I am, once again. You're about to be torn into pieces because, bitch, I'm here. I mean, that's all I can say. I spent more time styling the unit than prepping the unit. Like, the hair came pre-plucked, pre-bleached. The lace is already pre-cut. The only thing I needed to do was basically style her, and it didn't really take too much effort to style. Like I said, the only issue that I saw was that in the parting area, there's like short hair. So it's not fully like long and 24 or 18 inches. It's short pieces. But it's nothing, a little bit of, you know, wax, a little wax stick, you know, go over the little short pieces, make sure it flattens, or even a little bit of mousse or serum. Can't fix. But yeah, I mean, I like it a lot. And don't be surprised if you see this in a lot more videos to come. I'm just saying, don't be surprised. And if you see it, you know exactly where I got it from, Beautyforever. Now, I kind of want to do a little bit of a different style, but I like this side part so much. Should I try braiding it? Should I try braiding it right now?
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding its logic. Ay. I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Maybe it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Gonna let somebody slow next up. Be them if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fitter. I am on a whole nother level. Really only you over cause you let him. Girl, I guess you didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just to show you it's special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Lately you say he been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in the right. Left hand is staring, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a spliff and get high. Shawty, you deserve what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be driven. Baby, slow phone, come just listen. Wrong. keeps on playing games, and it's loving ain't the same. I don't know what to say, but what a shame. If you were mine, you would not get the same. If you were mine, you would top everything. Suicide in the drop, switching lanes in the thing. So fire, baby, no propane. Got good, girl, can I be framed? Keep it 100, girl, I ain't no saint, but he the only reason that I'm feeling this way. Giving you the world, baby, when you get space, then gang, give me lay, baby, that's penetrate. Oh, baby.
That this looks so cute. I'm nervous because what if it doesn't look cute? Like, what if it doesn't look cute on my head? I'm gonna cry, I'm gonna cry, I'm gonna cry. Okay, she looks like it's a wig, right? At least we know that it can be styled. It can be styled. Okay, what do you guys think? Like, something's off. I can't tell what it is, but y'all let me know. Like, is it because these pieces are too straight? Or it's because it's not in the middle. You know why it also looks a little off? I need to redefine like the parts. It just looks like it's too pasty, like it's pasted down. We'll lift it up. Give it a little bit of lift at the roots. That's so much better, so much better. There you go. Now that's the final look. I don't know, I must have been hungry or something because I ate. I just nom, 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 nom. It's giving early 2000s, Y2K. Ooh, you know who will rock this style back in the 90s actually? Zaria from Parenthood. She would definitely rock this style. And actually, her hairstyle used to be like so cute. All of her hairstyles never missed. Whoever did her hair on that show, they knew what they were doing. Y'all, it's the fact that this is a 7x5 and I have a whole braided hairstyle. What? Not a middle part, not a side part. This is a braided updo, basically. Like, what? Okay, Beautyforever. And I'm gonna toot my own horn too because I was the one that did this style. So toot mother effing beep beep. 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 I was supposed to test it to see if it curls, so we'll just curl a little piece right here, right quick, to see how it looks curled. Oh, we might leave it curl. We'll see, or not. Okay, dang, that curl for real. Oh wow. All right, well, it definitely curls. Oh, that's so cute. This is so freaking cute. Okay, well, it's safe to say that the hair definitely curls. I don't know how long it'll last. I have someplace to go. I have this on 430 degrees. I'm about to straighten this back out. That is too curly. Okay, between the hair and the 2-in-1, okay. Good investment on both ends. I will be curling my natural hair with this. I definitely will. Yeah, well, that's all for the video. At this point, I'm just gonna be rambling and yapping my mouth, and I don't know how y'all feel about me yapping. Let me know in the comments if I should be a yapper, because I be talking about some stuff, and I actually edit a lot of it out. So I don't know what y'all really be into. I don't know what y'all like. The only thing I know from my community is that y'all love when I do wash day. So let me know if I should do, you know, a little yappy. Thank you once again, Beautyforever, for sending this over for me to install and review and style. Like, this looks so freaking dinking, sinking, Philippine, Leaping. This looks really good. This looks good. So anyways, I will see y'all on my next one. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.